Now in this session I will give you one more assignment related to for loop. I will call this one as for loop assignment 2. Now my requirement is you need to create a page with the name number series dot html, and in this page you need to create a button control with the name display numbers. When user clicks on this button control, you need to call a JavaScript function, maybe which is created with the name fn display number series, and it has to take number as input parameter, right? So tell me from where we should call this function. From the on click event of this button control. So from the on click you will be calling like this fn display number series, and let us say I have passed some number as 21. It can be any number, it doesn't matter. Once the number comes into this variable and once this function code execution is completed, obviously you need to display the output like this. Let me show you the expected output. From 1 to till given number you have to display the output. So currently we are passing 21 over here. So in the alert box I would like to display the numbers from 1 to given number. Okay, if this number is changed, let us say I passed 50. So from 1 to 50 I have to display the output, right? From 1 to 50 I have to display the output. But my requirement is I would like to get the output complete series of numbers in a single alert box, not in multiple alert boxes, right? A single alert box must be able to display the complete output. I believe you understood. Okay, but anyhow, remember the JavaScript supports string concatenation. So all these points will be really useful while solving this assignment. I will try to explain what is the meaning of concatenation. Let us say I am having a var variable something like this, var v1 is equals to, let us say, some empty data inside single quotation. Now let us say I have written v1 is equals to v1 plus single quotation 1 slash n. What is this slash n called as? This is technically called as escape characters. In case if you are not aware of escape characters, I recommend you to understand the meaning of escape characters from the internet. Okay, so this course will not be talking about the escape characters, right? So let us say similar way you have written the code like this, v1 is equals to v1 plus 2 slash n, something like this. Now after this let us say I have written alert of v1. Guess what will be displayed? First you tell me finally what will be there in the v1 after performing all these concatenation operations. Finally what will be there in the v1? Very simple, v1 contains 1 slash n 2 slash n. So now if I ask alert box to display v1 data, obviously in the alert box 1 will be displayed. Because of slash n, the next writing will come to next line and 2 will be displayed, so on and so forth. I believe you understood the point. Now based on this point you can start doing the assignment, and probably inside this function body you might require to write a for loop. Believe you understood. Now I am creating new website for showing you the solution related to this assignment. I will call this project or website name as JavaScript loops assignment 2, or maybe for loops assignment 2. And in the solution explorer I will create add new item. I will create a new HTML page with the name number series.html. After creating the page, I will create the button control like this, and in the header portion I will create script tag, and I will create a JavaScript function like this, and I will call the JavaScript function from the on click event. Now inside this function I will write empty result variable, and I will write the for loop code like this: I is equals to 1, I less than or equal to number I plus plus, and I will be writing res is equals to res plus I plus single quotation slash n, right? So you will understand why I am doing something like this once I display the output. Okay, so in case if you want, you can evaluate here itself. First I value is 1 will be added to res is not having anything, 1 and then slash n will be added, 1 slash n you will get, and after that I value will be incremented to 2, 1 slash n and again 2 will be added after slash n, and after that again slash n will be added, so on so forth. All the set of numbers will be added with separating or by separating the numbers with slash n. Okay, that is what I am doing. Finally, when I display the output, we will get the complete output in the single alert box, because I am asking JavaScript engine to display complete res variable data only one time. In case if I write alert calling function code or alert calling code inside the for loop, so if the for loop is executed for 20 times alert boxes will be coming. But my requirement is I wanted to display the output at a time, and hence I have written the alert box after the for loop. Now let me execute the code. I will send this page code to browser. So once this page code is sent to the browser, the output will be displayed something like this. Now when the user clicks on display numbers button, we will be getting the values from 1 to 21, something like this. In case if you want to re-verify this, I recommend you to go to the JavaScript code and you change the value here. Instead of 21, let me change the value to 52. After this, I will refresh my browser. I'll just click on refresh. Once the refreshing is completed, you will see the output like this. Now you observe, we should get the values from, why only till 24 we are getting? Okay, so anyhow this code must work properly. Probably there may be some problem with my browser settings, so it has to display the values from 1 to 52. I believe you understood. Let me stop here.